Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to math class today. Today you are going to find and color the solid shapes. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come click the microphone button, and then you're going to come look at the shape. So this one is a sphere. Remember, it looks like a ball. And right next to it, it says to color it red. So I have my marker tool, I need to find red, and I need to find all of the spheres and color them red. So I'm just gonna trace around it like I showed you yesterday, and then slow and in control, I'm going to color it in. Doesn't have to be perfect, but your best job. And then, so I'm going to find all of the spheres and color them red. Okay. And then up here, this is a cylinder, so it has a circle on the end faces, and then it's around the rest of it. It looks like a soda pop or a can of green beans. This one says to color it blue. So I'm going to find blue, and I'm going to find all my cylinders. So here's one. They can be laying down on their side, or they can be standing up nice and tall. Just coloring it in as best as I can. Okay, and then I'm going to move on. Once I find all those, I'm going to move on to cube. It says orange. So a cube looks like a dice. Trace around it. And color the inside. That way it kind of gives me a boundary to stay in. And once I found all of the shapes and colored them according to the key, I'm going to click the green check mark and send it to my teacher.